Sorry. No. That's it. I think I can't be in like a weird position. I think I need You see. That's delicious. This is so good. Like, that it actually hurts, but when I have to burp, it's like... Oh, pick a problem! That's how I see it. Saying goodbye to our relationship. It's Thank you. Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to get it out. Okay. What? No, water is not wet. Or maybe it is. Who knows? Too many options. Too many. Too much work. Down and I need you to be my love. Oh yeah. My sister called me. No, but I am a water sign. So, I don't want to put them back on, too. It just seems like so much work. I don't have a fedora. I had 6 kills. It's the evil eye. Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. A B Z D E F G H I J E.
Whoa. What? I can't do it. I don't know why I can't, like, burp and say the K at the same time. Well, I didn't finish. I only got to K.
L M N O P Q R S Q R S U V W X Y Z.
Oh, I did it! Because then I stopped because I kind of just liked it. So. Ooh. Very nice. Very nice. Question.
After Johnson traveled back to
I always got burps in me, sweetheart. What kind of question is that? Fields. More English. Are y'all getting it? Y'all getting it? This is after ever after. Thank you for the roses. my drawing book when I first got into it, but then it became a flower book thing. That's a good one. You want to see my belly? My belly! No, I just wanted to open it now so that I didn't have to open it. Maybe like 2-3 years ago. 2 years? And I bought this one like last year. We got add it to my list. Haul. These are all of the cards that I oh wait, hold on. Here it is. I shouldn't take what? Am I in New Jersey? No, I'm not in New Jersey. Okay. Sorry. Had to think a little brock. That's understandable. Everyone needs a change. Too difficult to find. Do like maybe 3 push-ups. Maybe 4 on a good day. Okay. I'm gonna play that one after.
Okay, I get that. So, it's not boring.
Her beauty's crazy. I watch her from the crowd. Her voice is so amazing.